Audio Jungle.
Hey everyone, it's Crypto Girl back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the KoinBasket app. It's your go-to tool if you're a Coinbase customer looking for a crypto mutual fund or exchange-traded fund or ETF. With KoinBasket though, you're able to actually invest in a basket of cryptos with a single click. So currently there are no crypto exchanges or asset management companies that provide regular customers with that basic passive investment products like crypto mutual funds. And even if it does, either the process to purchase the basket of cryptos is painful, or the platform actually holds the assets on behalf of you, so you don't actually hold them yourself. So there's risk involved with some of those platforms. How does KoinBasket solve this? Well, KoinBasket is actually partnered with crypto exchanges like Coinbase, specifically to provide seamless really kind of purchases for those crypto baskets. I want to show you guys right here with the website itself. Why just any coin buy diversified crypto baskets in one click? The main thing we always say in crypto is to do your own research and make sure to spread out your funds or invest in things that make a lot of sense. Well, the nice thing about this with KoinBasket is you're obviously going to be spreading your funds throughout many different ETF or cryptocurrency stocks in a way that will continue to keep you in a safer light than many others in crypto. So you can see here, no kick hassle, no secret API pain, and no custody of funds and assets. You can just download their app and trade with Coinbase Finance and more. A lot of us have definitely used Coinbase Finance and many of these different platforms that work well with KoinBasket. So it's just so easy to get involved. For the first time you can actually download the app. I'll have links down in the description below for the website, the app download and much more. Regarding KoinBasket, the cool thing as well as it was mentioned on Yahoo Finance as well. So KoinBasket raises us $2 million from those global market investors. We should also take a look at some of the fastbacks on this Yahoo Finance article. They talk about Singapore-based company and how we'll use funds for products in geographical growth technology investments and to expand its team. The perceived fundraiser actually drew in participation from major people in the crypto space, starting with Polygon co-founder, former finance director, Ripple managing director and executives from Citi, Google, Accenture and many others. They also have founded in 2022 a wealth tech entrepreneur. The startup aims to become the world and really kind of revolve around this world of Vanguard Group and BlackRock for the next billion crypto investors across the world. So KoinBasket's fundraiser actually comes at a time when the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, is seeking to develop the financial hub into its responsible crypto hub, with stringent licensing and procedures and protections for retail investors. What all this comes down to tell you is KoinBasket is here for a while. It's going to only grow in a positive light as we continue to see more and more people jumping to get involved for this really, like I said, safer way to invest in crypto by spreading out your portfolio. So we can also see here on their site yet again that they connect in a flash, buy baskets instantly so you can actually pick the crypto basket you like and buy dozens of cryptos in a single click. And then you can track your portfolios as well with the app. So you're going to be able to see this basket, specifically how well each part of the basket is performed, whether that's Athleticoin, Link, ADA or Monero. You're going to be able to actually take a look a little bit farther into it yourself, and do some of that dirty research that's really going to help hopefully make you a better trader over the long term. We can also see here our crypto baskets start at just $200 with 0% fees. So they have the Go Basket, a pack of leading cryptos. They have withstood the test of time, they understand exactly what your mind is set on. If you're getting into the Go Basket, it's going to be for the longevity. You're going to be looking for something that has done really well over a long period of time, and you're looking for something a little more stable. Then they have the NFC Gaming Basket. If that's a category you love to kind of dig yourself into and believe in the longevity of that basket, you're going to find a lot of entity gaming cryptos, pioneering the digital art and gaming world. I'm not going to jump too much into each and every basket, but they have the D5 Basket, the Whale Basket, I'm not even sure how to say this one exactly. Halala Basket, which is socially responsible crypto projects. And then they have the Noob Basket. So socially responsible crypto projects yet again, the Webberry Basket, Lambo Basket, and more baskets to come, of course. So there's a lot of gray baskets. They're continuing to build that. They kind of have a category for each individual investor. It's a great way to kind of get yourself involved with picking a current basket. And you're not, like I said, going to hinder your crypto experience by just picking one of the many. So what else with the KoinBasket.com website? What else can we learn? Well, here's something that really kind of shows us that there is going to be a statement on kicking out the FUD and holding peacefully. You can invest in cryptos like an index fund in one click, so you don't have to research so much there's so much details in some of these different categories. There's so much complexity involved with some of these different categories in crypto, and you're going to be able to avoid that. You're also going to have that no fund allocation dilemma and no portfolio management pain. Do remember though guys, before you get involved with this project, it's a project that's going to help you mitigate your risk, but at the same time there's always going to be risk involved with crypto. So make sure to do your own research and be financially responsible. Nobody can really do that for you. So just keep that in mind. As we go back to the top of the website, there's going to be a little thing here called backed by global VCs and CXOs. That's what we talked about earlier. Polygon, Ripple, Google Angel, List Venture. All available and great backers of the project. So how does KoinBasket mitigate risk? Well, KoinBasket actually has partnered with crypto exchanges like Coinbase to provide seamless purchases of crypto baskets. Users can actually log into their existing Coinbase account and then invest in diversified crypto baskets using KoinBasket. And you'll see curated crypto baskets upon logging into the platform. These baskets of course have various cryptos in them based on fundamental analysis, and obviously the theme of the basket that we just saw earlier in the website. So you can see that here where all the different themes come out, and obviously they're continuing to build more and more of these as well, so that you guys can pick out exactly what you want to invest in, without having to go into the hundreds and thousands of cryptocurrencies, and dig them out yourself. So what does this mean for you guys as the user? Well, the user is getting a diversified crypto portfolio by what happened to that. Obviously if you put all of your money into Terra Luna, you would have $0 at this point in time. And that's definitely something we want to avoid while trying to make money in the crypto space. So KoinBasket gives rebalancing suggestions via in-app notifications, so that users can worry less about fundamentals of the coins being changed over a period of time. By the way, there's also a single dashboard to manage all of your crypto investments. So it's very easy to use and access. So one way to get involved, like I said right now with KoinBasket and how easy it is to actually get involved, is just by going down into the description of today's video, installing and investing with your first crypto basket. So all you have to do is go install the Coinbase. So if you guys want to get started with KoinBasket, the app today, you can actually go into the link in the description below. Sign up using your number. So it's very easy to use and access. So one way to get involved, like I said right now with KoinBasket and how easy it is to actually get involved, is just by going down into the description of today's video, installing and investing with your first crypto basket. So all you have to do is go install the Coinbase. So if you guys want to get started with KoinBasket, the app today, you can actually go into the link in the description below. Sign up using your number. Connect your Coinbase account, and once you connect your Coinbase account, you'll be able to see the crypto baskets available in the KoinBasket app. You can click on each basket to see kind of what's in each basket, but the basket size is just $200, so you'll have a minimum of 8 to 10 projects in each basket. You also see the option to purchase the basket once you are inside the basket. So you'll have the inside of the basket, you'll see what's all in there and the availability of $200 as that minimum. You can also purchase a basket any number of times or buy additional baskets of a different theme. The performance of your baskets will be available and visible on the Portfolio tab of the app, and you can sell the baskets from the Portfolio screen itself. So there's a lot that comes kind of with this KoinBasket app. There's so much complexity, but there's also such a simple interface to where it's not hard to get around and see exactly how you're doing in different areas of crypto.
Find the latest cryptocurrency news, updates, values, prices, and more related to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, DeFi and NFTs with Crypto Girl channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the first-hand information about crypto market.